Welcome to Mindzita. Tech simplified, dreams amplified. In this video, I'll show you how to update plugins on your WordPress website safely. Let's begin. Before you update anything, it's a good idea to back up your website. You can use a free plugin like UpdraftPlus to create a quick backup. That way, if something goes wrong during the update, you can easily restore your site to the previous version. First, we'll install the plugin. From your WordPress dashboard, go to Plugins, Add New. In the search bar, type UpdraftPlus. You should see UpdraftPlus WordPress Backup, plugin by UpdraftPlus.com. Click Install Now, and then activate once it's done. After activation, go to Settings, UpdraftPlus Backups. This is where you'll manage all your backups and restores. Now it's time to create your first backup. Go back to the Backup and Restore tab and click Backup Now. A pop-up will appear. Make sure both options are checked. Include your database in the backup. Include your files, plugins, themes, uploads, etc. Then click Backup Now. UpdraftPlus will now create your backup. It may take a few minutes depending on your site's size. Once finished, you'll see it listed under Existing Backups. Just click the download buttons next to each section. Database, plugins, themes, uploads, and others. That way, even if your site is hacked or your hosting fails, you can restore everything easily. And that's it. You now know how to create and manage backups using the UpdraftPlus plugin. Always back up your site before updating plugins, themes, or making any major changes. From your WordPress dashboard, click Dashboard, Updates. You'll see all the plugins that have new versions available. To update, simply check the plugins you want and click Update Plugins. WordPress will automatically download and install the latest versions. When it's done, you'll see a success message confirming the updates. Plugins updated successfully. And that's it. If you run into any issues to update plugins, contact us at info@mindzita.com or call us at 305-434-4698. At Mindzita, we offer affordable services and resolve any problem within 24 hours. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more tech tips.